Treehouse features, strengths, weaknesses. Treehouse is an online learning platform focusing on tech skills, primarily web development, software development, and design. Key features include structured learning paths called tracks, individual courses covering specific technologies, code challenges to reinforce learning, and a community forum for peer support. The platform employs a project-based learning approach, guiding users to build real-world applications. Treehouse is geared towards individuals with little to no prior coding experience aiming to break into the tech industry, career switchers seeking relevant skills, and entrepreneurs looking to build their own digital products. A major strength lies in its curated learning paths, which eliminate the guesswork of structuring your learning journey. The platform's focus on practical application ensures that learners acquire immediately usable skills. Furthermore, the supportive community fosters a collaborative learning environment, and the platform's cost is significantly lower than traditional bootcamps or university programs. However, Treehouse also has weaknesses. Its depth in specific technologies may not be sufficient for advanced learners or those seeking highly specialized knowledge. The platform's curriculum, while comprehensive, might lag behind the very latest industry trends. While the community is helpful, the lack of direct mentorship from industry experts can be a disadvantage for some learners. Compared to platforms like Udemy or Coursera, the course selection is relatively limited, concentrating primarily on web-related technologies. Another potential drawback is the subscription-based model. Progress must be consistent to justify the monthly cost. While Treehouse offers a solid foundation and practical skills, it might not be a one-stop shop for all tech education needs. In conclusion, Treehouse is an excellent resource for beginners and career switchers wanting a guided, project-based introduction to web development and related fields. Its strengths lie in its structured learning paths, practical approach, and supportive community. However, be aware of its limitations in depth, breadth of topics, and lack of advanced mentorship. If you're looking for a comprehensive, in-depth mastery of a niche subject or require direct mentorship, Treehouse might not be the ideal platform. But for those starting from scratch and seeking a practical, affordable, and well-structured learning experience, Treehouse is a highly valuable tool.